How to change email address on Temu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the email address. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the bottom, you can see a profile icon. Tap on your profile icon. Now, you can see your profile name and your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon. So, you'll be open in your profile section. Here, you can see a small edit button beside your name. Tap on that small edit button. So these are the details that are available or given by you. Now in the email section, you can see this edit button. Tap on edit. Now you must enter your new email or the email that you want to change. So just enter the email that you want to change. Now here on the bottom, you can see this continue button. Tap on continue. So a new verification code will send to your mail and you must verify it in order to change it. So enter the code and you'll be set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.